Do you ever freeze when you're at the supermarket and don't know what to say in English? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, you'll learn real, everyday English phrases that people actually use when shopping. No grammar lessons, no boring theory, just useful expressions with subtitles so you can listen, repeat, and speak more confidently starting today. Ready? Let's go shopping in English. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Do you know where the bread is? Do you know where the bread is? Is this the right aisle for cereal? Is this the right aisle for cereal? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I can't find the eggs. I can't find the eggs. I'm looking for tomato sauce. I'm looking for tomato sauce. Do you have any almond milk? Do you have any almond milk? Is there someone who can assist me? Is there someone who can assist me? Where is the frozen food section? Where is the frozen food section? Are there more in the back? Are there more in the back? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? What's the price of this? What's the price of this? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Is there a discount on this item? Is there a discount on this item? Can I get 2 for 1? Can I get 2 for 1? Is this included in the promotion? Is this included in the promotion? Are these buy one, get one free? Are these buy one, get one free? Do you match competitor prices? Do you match competitor prices? Is this fresh? Is this fresh? When does this expire? When does this expire? Are these organic? Are these organic? Is this gluten-free? Is this gluten-free? Do you have sugar-free yogurt? Do you have sugar-free yogurt? I need something for dinner tonight. I need something for dinner tonight. I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm trying to eat healthier. This one looks better than that one. This one looks better than that one. Do you have smaller packages? Do you have smaller packages? I don't like the taste of that brand. I don't like the taste of that brand. I forgot my shopping list. I forgot my shopping list. I'll grab a cart. I'll grab a cart. I think I got everything I need. I think I got everything I need. I'll take 2 of these. I'll take 2 of these. I just need a few things. I just need a few things. I'm shopping for the whole week. I'm shopping for the whole week. Do you sell reusable bags? Do you sell reusable bags? I'm in a hurry today. I'm in a hurry today. This isn't what I wanted. This isn't what I wanted. I think this is the last one. I think this is the last one. I'm ready to check out. I'm ready to check out. I'll pay with a card. I'll pay with a card. Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Can I tap to pay? Can I tap to pay? Do you accept Apple Pay? Do you accept Apple Pay? Can I use this coupon? Can I use this coupon? I have a discount card. I have a discount card. Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get a receipt, please? I don't need a bag, thank you. I don't need a bag, thank you. That's too expensive. That's too expensive. It's really busy today. It's really busy today. These prices are going up. These prices are going up. The line is so long. The line is so long. I love this store. I love this store. I come here all the time. I come here all the time. This is my favorite snack. This is my favorite snack. Have you tried this one before? Have you tried this one before? I always forget something. I always forget something. It's hard to find parking here. It's hard to find parking here. I prefer shopping in the morning. I prefer shopping in the morning. Do you have toilet paper? Do you have toilet paper? I need laundry detergent. I need laundry detergent. Where are the cleaning supplies? Where are the cleaning supplies? I'm looking for shampoo and conditioner. I'm looking for shampoo and conditioner. I need baby diapers. I need baby diapers. Do you have paper towels? Do you have paper towels? I ran out of toothpaste. I ran out of toothpaste. Where's the ice cream? Where's the ice cream? Do you sell frozen vegetables? Do you sell frozen vegetables? I want a frozen pizza. I want a frozen pizza. Is the ice on sale? Is the ice on sale? This milk is too warm. This milk is too warm. That's all for today. That's all for today. I'll come back tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow. I need to unload the cart. I need to unload the cart. Let me organize my groceries. Let me organize my groceries. Time to go home and cook. Time to go home and cook. Great job! You just practiced over 70 real English phrases used at the supermarket. Practice daily to improve your English speaking fluency. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily English conversations with subtitles.